Hi YouTube, you see me? I see you. Okay, this is an '05 Tundra quad cab, double cab, 4-wheel drive. Nothing special today. I just want to put a lip, kit on it. It's not like the whole complete lip kit, just the shock, okay, and spring in the front and the shock in the back. So this is the part that they got it for me. So this is the icon shock. Okay, this is the back one. Look like this. Okay, look pretty good. This is the aluminum cylinder, and that is stainless steel, of course. Okay, and also the front will be this right here, and you can adjust this, I believe. And this says 2.5 lit already, so it's a little bit higher than normal. Okay, so hopefully it will be good. And today I'm going to put that on. Okay, not much is special to you need. Rubber, in case you need it, punch sometime. 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 17 millimeter, 14 millimeter. Okay, so you need 10, 12, 14, 17, 19. Okay, that's all you need. And then probably there's another one down here, still 19, so that's all you need. I thought I decided to take the upper ball joint here and there, but I think ball joint you have to press. Okay, you have to use a clamp to press out. So for me, I'd rather just taking down this 4-bolt right here. Okay, this 4-bolt right there, the other side here, and leaving the one up here. Okay, and socket. All right, let me take the 10 out first. 10, which is this right here, and then 12 is this is 12, the one right here. So you need to take this 12 out. Okay, so this one, to not have so much play, you take this one out in case, so you have not stress on that line right here. Some people say, too stressed, it's gonna be broke. No, ABS sensor. Okay, take this 4 out. Okay. So this won't have a draft for the low control arm. This is a 19 socket. This one is a 14 millimeter. So use a long screwdriver, punching from the back here. Okay, so come right off. Pretty easy, isn't it? Very, very easy. So not sure how this will handle it, but this have no bushing. Okay, they might have a bearing, I'm not sure. So they only have this 2 in here, and the top here is pretty much like swivel. Okay, so see that? So that is make a play probably between this, you see this bushing. Okay, this rubber is bushing, that's the bushing, and here's the bushing. Okay, the difference will be quieter than a aftermarket. So I'm not sure this will do a better job than just regular like this, but the height of this probably make the difference. Okay, but we'll see. Okay, I think the best way to adjust this to the height that you want is using a clamp like this to adjust, because when you install in there using this, it's pretty hard. Sometimes you damage the thread right here because it's aluminum only, you know. So I'm going to use this right here. Tie this up. Adjusting this is pain in the butt, okay? Just let you know. Do whatever you want to do. If you want like a, inch, then you just go to right here and adjust both sides to be equally. So that's where you get even height. Okay. To put it back, this have 6 holes on it. Up there is 3 holes. So pretty simple. You can just align this right here to up there, and then if not, then you can turn the shot a little bit. And they provide this right here for you. So I use this bar right here. There. Okay, that's it. Okay, this 3 bolt here is a torque to 47 foot-pound. Okay, this one right here, you put 101. Okay, 100, 101, don't matter. 102, don't matter. But as long as you do over 100, you okay. Okay, there you go. 59 foot-pound, okay? This 4 bolt right here. We'll do a 59 foot-pound. Let's do a crisscross applesauce. Like school said, crisscross applesauce. Okay, now it's look pretty high now. When I'm matching with this right here, it look the same. It does not make any height different. But we'll put it in here, which is, it does make the car a little bit higher than normal. So that's pretty decent height. Okay, I'm not sure how many inches. I didn't measure. I didn't measure here, but I measured from the other one. Is from the original is 2 inch from the top to what the level. So I raised another 1.5 inches, so which is like 3.5. So that should be the clearance of that this person want. So look pretty decent. Okay, look pretty decent. Hopefully runs good. Okay, so now I need to put the one in the back. So from the back here, you don't have to jack the cars up. You just do from right here. And this is 17 millimeter on mine. So I'm not sure how many millimeter on yours, but pretty simple. This is the passenger side. The driver side a little bit tighter, but you can go underneath it if you wanted to, but you can do on the top, the same thing here. Okay, if your keep spinning, put this 5 millimeter inside here. Okay, so that will lock it into the shark. It won't spin. Okay, and one hand holding that, one hand holding this. So my hand cannot hold the camera for you. So okay, you see the wrench, just lock it into the top of the bed. Okay, so that making the nuts spin freely. Okay, so from the bottom one, it's the easy one. This is a 17 millimeter. Okay, okay, the shoe falling apart. Okay, and this is a Blistein, so pretty good shot. The new one is pretty much a self-explain. It's very easy to install. Okay, so they coming in 2 rubber bushing and a 2 metal stopper. This ring is one bigger, go to the bottom one. Okay, I'm gonna put like this because this is go through the little cap right here, go through the hole. Okay, and you can go put like this on top. The top. Push. Can I take a little bit of muscle here? Okay, I'm going to put the head with the plastic rubber a little bit because kind of tight. I can't do my kung fu here. See that? Okay. That should straight to the hole. If it doesn't, you can fit this in. Okay. All right. There you go. Same thing. You can torque up to 100 foot-pound on this right here. Okay. All right. And the top one, just tight until it's sturdy. So I'm not sure how many foot-pounds, but it's if you feel like very tight, then just leave it like that. Okay, because this have the locking washer right there, and the plastic right there, that's a locking to not reverse or whatever. Okay, this is 19 millimeter nuts. Okay, in case you tighten this, keep spinning. They're designed for you to hold with, you know, a fork right here to not get this nut to spin. If you have room for this, you can use this right here. If you don't, right here at the bottom. Using one of this right there, so to not let it spin. Okay, so I won't show you in there, but you know what I'm talking about. Already put this 2 new rear shock on it. The truck, the back here doesn't show a lot different. Okay, but the front here is a little bit different, that's all. If you do it by yourself with the proper air tool or electric tool impact, you know, doesn't take that long. I would say 2-3 hours you should be able to get it done, or less. Okay, so go renting you a compressor, I mean a spring compress from Auto Part. I got mine from AutoZone and it's about $60, but when you return it, they give you money back. Okay, I got mine, but mine kind of messed up, so it's not good, garbage. So I went to AutoZone, renting there, and it's free. When you're done it, return it, you got your money back. Okay, all right, I don't know how it's going to be good or not. So I will hear the report sooner when they get the car and then out there in the jungle to see how it handled up in the foothill. So my personally, I don't race my car. I like to keep it stock. And if I want to do it, I will do it properly, like, you know, the whole chassis raised up, not just lift a little bit like this. I hate the rough ride, so that's why I never have a true off-road vehicle with lip kit on it. My F-150, I can go pretty much all those roads that okay to go. You know, it's not go extremely off-road vehicle, so I can go to the mostly all-wheel drive cannot go. That's what I mean. Like 4x4 only, and my ground clearance is only, I would say 8.5 only from the front. The chassis looked like a 12 or 14, but on the bottom where the differential is look like a 8.5 only. Okay, but I never get stuck, so I always carry it up front and rear chain in case mud or snow or go to something that I can't go. I just put those chains on it. Okay, and my tires not even off-road tire too. I have Michelin tires on it. I hate road noise, so that's why I don't put, you know, off-road tires on it. So all right, thank you for watching, and see you guys next video. Okay, bye bye now. Don't forget to help me subscribe.